Hey everybody, how we doing today, guys? This is Holy Mike EPG Studios. Hope y'all having a wonderful day. I'm going to talk about Windows 11, y'all, and why I hate Windows 11 so much, and what I think should be improved about Windows 11, and why I don't think it's gonna, why I think it's gonna be a flop of Windows 8, because there's a lot of concerns I have about
Back in that fucking spine, second guessing crimes at the war where I scored a slug and crossed the fucking line.
So, number one, Windows 8 originally came out. They were having it on new laptops, on new PCs. Everyone was having on Windows 8 because everyone was tired about Windows 7. Windows 7 was out for a decade. Now, when Windows 8 came around, there's missing a lot of key features. It just was not a good operating system. This mainly most of the importance of an operating system to make it easier for the user. A lot of people had to go dumpster diving for stuff just to be able to get simple options that were in Windows 7. The Windows 8.1 came along, fixed all those issues that we were all hoping, but by then people already were pissed off about the Windows 8, so it didn't really make that big of a difference. But when it came to Windows 10, so we skipped Windows 9. Windows 9 never existed, but we hopped to Windows 10. Windows 10 kind of put it down on the coffin of all, pretty much all the issues that Windows 8 had. Everything that was flop for Windows 8 and 8.1, Windows 10 kind of cleaned up. Windows 10 was supposed to be the last operating system for Windows 10. Windows said they were focusing on making Windows 10 the best operating system out there and not trying to upgrade and messing up people. Just trying to make the best Windows operating system. So now, years later, come along, and now we're at Windows 11. So they changed the business plan to having Windows 11. Now, when it comes to Windows 11, the reason why I think it's gonna be a flop because it's more of a mobile platform. It's not a PC platform. So when I use my computer, the reason why I'm not gonna upgrade to Windows 11 because my PCs I use for editing software. I use it for a PC. I have phones. I have laptops. I don't want to. I don't want my desktop PC to be another mobile device. That's not exactly what I want. I know they're including TikTok and all that kind of stuff, but I want a home edition. I want an office type operating system that I can use when I am working. I don't want a mobile operating system. I know a lot of people might feel that way because Windows 11 is being one of the most hated operating systems out there. I know you might be on YouTube watching a lot of YouTubers talking about how great it is, but if you take a look at the reviews or what people are talking about, what they think about it, it's heavily disliked. If you don't believe me, just go to Google. You find a whole bunch of people complaining about it. Now, as for the fact of what is compatible, now a lot of issues with compatibility. Windows Windows 11 is requiring a lot of computers that have been around for when Windows 10 started will not work with Windows 11 because they require one of some close to the 30,000 series of CPUs for Ryzen, and for Intel, I can't remember. I think it's like Intel's 5 or 7 and above. A lot of PCs don't have that. A lot of older laptops that have Windows 10 do not have that. So you're gonna be screwed because they're gonna make a cut deadline for Windows 10, and Windows 10 is gonna go out in 2025. So if you have a Windows 10 computer that's not compatible, you can't move anywhere. You have to just buy a new computer because Windows 11 is requiring a lot of features that are required to be able to upgrade, and it's quite annoying. And that's I think the reason why Windows 10 is going to flop because of that. Windows 11 is going to flop because of those requirements and the fact that it's more of a mobile platform than an actual PC platform. That is a big deal, and that's I'm very concerned about how people are going to take that. And if you feel it differently, feel free to leave in the comments how you feel about it. But that's just my short take on it. I'm going to dive deeper into the Windows 11 closer when more information comes out. I'm going to dive a lot more deeper into it. But right now, this is just a little short kind of reason why I think Windows 11 is going to flop, guys. Thank you guys for watching. This is Holy Mike EPG Studios. Sign out. Have a good one.